Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to enable or how to disable or how to change the low health attention in Wukong game. So to change the health attention in Wukong, first you should open the settings. To open the settings, you should click on Escape button in the gameplay, then on the upper part, click on Settings, then choose Gear icon with gameplay text, scroll down and find here Low Health Alert. Change it to High, disable it, or choose Low or Medium. I wanna disable it. Go back to the main game screen and let's play. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.